Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Quarantine in antivirus. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the quarantine in antivirus. So, the quarantine in antivirus, sometimes the Avast antivirus automatically quarantine a file that sees it to be dangerous. Or if you yourself know something is wrong and the antivirus didn't cut it, you can also put it on quarantine for the meanwhile while you are not sure if it's safe or not. So today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quarantine something. So to quarantine something in antivirus, in Avast antivirus, or to remove it from quarantine, first you need to do is open up your Avast antivirus. Once you're here, click on protection right here. After clicking on protection, you will see next to core shield, you will see quarantine. And click on quarantine. And as you can see, detected threats are safely locked away here, so they can't harm your computer. As you can see right now, there's nothing quarantined here because I've downloaded save files for my computer. But if ever I myself knows there's something wrong about an app or something that I've downloaded and the Avast antivirus didn't caught it, and for the meanwhile I want it to be I wanted to put it away but not delete it. This is the right place to go it. So to add the file here, just click add file. After clicking add file, choose anything that you want here. So I'll give you an example. Just go here. Pictures, then make a new folder here. Yeah, here we go. The folder, and you quarantine that. Oopsie, there's no file. Yes, we need a file. Stress. Text document. There you go. As you can see right now, I have quarantined something here. There you go. There you go, guys. Now it's been quarantined. And there you go. We can, if you don't want the file anymore, just click on delete. So there you go, guys. If you guys like the video, if you guys enjoyed, and a quick tip for you guys, you can also restore them to their rightful place and be able to use again the app or maybe the file or maybe document. By just going here, click on the three dots, and then after that, click on restore and add exceptions. So there you go, guys. But for now, I'm just gonna delete it because and it's just made a file. So there you go, guys. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.